Welcome! In front of me I have MOBVOI TicWatch GTH and I'm gonna show you how to change the screen brightness level on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. And on this panel you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should look like the sun. This is the brightness icon or screen brightness icon. You can tap on it to open the adjust brightness menu, and here we can adjust the screen brightness by tapping on the plus and minus buttons. And once you're done adjusting the brightness, tap on the check mark to confirm, and then you can press the side button to go back to watch face. And that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.